All right, US equities market minute update. I'm going to try my best to stick to it. NASDAQ is down a little bit. Look, it's a really mixed bag in regards to, what's going to happen. Have we seen the bottom? Are we going to see more corrections? Tech stocks attractive. Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, Tesla. There's a lot of high impact things, that are going on in regards to reality and then what's happening in the market. Now, I will make a disclaimer. If you've been following me, you'd know this. I am involved in the tech sector, for me quite heavily with my portfolio. I do an end of week update, just showing you what I'm in. Now, look, let's have a look at the EV space a little bit. Let's see what CCIV is doing. Can get that format correct. Another one. ACTC. A lot of this is just EV stuff to give a little bit of context. NGA, I'm in NGA. Let's see what that's doing. Let's have a look at what Tesla's doing as well. I'm in Tesla. I think average was about 500 or so. Not a lot. I mean, like 13 grand or something or thereabouts. USD. So we'll see on that. Obviously, it's very early days. What I do like to have a look at is the US dollar as well. Let's bring up the hourly. So in conclusion, what is there to say? Obviously, you've got Janet Yellen, you've got Jerome Powell. We'll see how the market digests their statements. Obviously, yesterday everything seemed pretty good. We had equities up. Well, NASDAQ especially. Pardon me, the voice break. So, and then we did obviously see the US dollar sort of sell off as well, as that was going down. S&P 500. We'll see. We'll see. Let's bring up the daily chart on that reformat. So that was yesterday. It's very early on in the piece though to be making conclusions, but I had an opportunity to make this, so we'll see. I mean, it would be nice probably to see a small red day and then things resume later into the week, but I still continue to hold. I can spell NAS correctly. I'm essentially I'm in the camp of people saying, rates aren't going up until maybe mid-2022. So the whole of this year there's going to be nothing, and then we'll see. I'm speculating that things are going to take a little bit longer to resume back to pre-COVID levels than some are anticipating. And that was this, some market fear, but we've seen some stabilization after the sell-off. It was, I guess the bottom was in the 5th of March. And we resumed on the 9th of March, where we had a strong rally on that day. And my anticipation is that, things will just be obviously a little choppy still, but with the 10-year bond yields doing what they're doing. But my thoughts are that, things are going to just be back to normal. And obviously it's unsettling, but I'm going to continue to hold my positions. Bond yields, I think, will cool off. Most likely. I mean, obviously it's hard to tell, but really I think I'm in the camp where, rates are just going to remain on hold. And buckle up for the tech lovers. So see what this week brings. Again, I see, obviously there's going to be a lot of chop about things like that, but that essentially is it in regards to longer term, sort of next 6 months. I still see upside. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.